I know. I used to fucking hate it when we first started school, and I love it. I made sure, like all those, tight armpit is
I feel like I'm doing a makeup review. There we go.
Hey, that's so seriously, you're laying it down like.
You guys, look at this. I can't believe this just happened. This is such a good weld.
It really is, though, right?
What's the magic setting?
Beer. Beer was the magic setting.
Beer was the magic.
So I just went live for my first time. Technically second. The first time not so well. I was trying to do like a 5-piece pie cut, never welding titanium before, having no idea what I'm doing, but not too bad, I guess. A little sloppy. And then I realized, okay, maybe I need a little more practice with titanium since I've never done it before, so started doing this. Not too bad. Got a little more comfortable. Still a little toasty. Also like a little larger. I'm really impressed with myself.
That's crazy good. The fuck?
First time welding titanium. And I even filled my